These drops have been falling for over 90 years, and no one noticed. The drip pitch experiment is a long-term experiment that measures the speed of a piece of pitch motion over many years. PEC in this case is the name of any possible liquid with a high viscosity index, which are formally solid substances. Most often it is bitumen. At room temperature, the resin flows very slowly. In just a few years, only one drop forms. Experiment at the University of Queensland. View of an experiment at the University of Queensland in 1990 during the formation of the eighth drop and its past guardian, Professor John Mainstone. View of an experiment at the University of Queensland in 1990 during the formation of the eighth drop and its past guardian, Professor John Mainstone. The most famous version of this experiment was started in 1927 by Professor Thomas Parnell of the University of Queensland in Brisbane, Australia, to demonstrate to students that some substances that appear to be solid are actually very high viscosity liquids. Parnell poured a heated sample of pitch into a sealed funnel and left it there for 3 years. In 1930, the neck of the funnel was opened, which allowed the pitch to begin to flow. Large droplets formed and fell once a decade. The eighth drop fell on November 28, 2000, which allowed experimenters to calculate that the pitch has a viscosity of about 230 billion, 2.3 times 1011 times that of water. This experience is recorded in the Guinness Book of Records as the longest continuous laboratory experiment in the world, and it is expected that if the amount of pitch in the funnel is sufficient, then the experiment can continue for at least another 100 years. The experiment was not initially conducted under any specially controlled atmospheric conditions, and this means that the viscosity could change during the year due to temperature fluctuations. Nevertheless, sometime after the fall of the seventh drop in 1988, an air conditioner was installed in the room where the experiment was taking place. Temperature stability lengthened the drop time of each drop before it was separated from the rest of the pitch in the funnel from 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 years.